Welcome back, folks, to Chicago 811. How the hell is everyone doing? Hope you guys doing pretty good. We got another request. Contractor needs this whole parking lot marked out behind me for directional bore. And boy, we got a lot of stuff back there, folks. We got this transformer supposed to come out this way, and it shows cable replacement, and for some odd reason cannot get a tone off this transformer. So it's telling me that this transformer is probably not grounded. The ground's out here, somebody probably destroyed it, crowed it away, but I cannot get a tone on this transformer whatsoever. So what I need to do now, I need to go to 3 different transformers to bring everything back to this transformer. And then from this transformer, I got one cable shooting south. So I go to this transformer and bring it back. You get my disconnects and everything else on here. So with cable replacement, sometimes you won't get a tone off one transformer, so that's why you have to go to the next one and bring it back. There's one of the transformers. Alright, good tone. We'll try bring this one back. And right here, folks, here's the grounds I was talking about. These transformers have ground pad around all these transformers. All around this transformer has a ground pad. So you can see it right here, it's exposed. Usually they're only down about 10 inches, 12 inches. But this is the wire I'm talking about, that these pads are grounded to, and the transformer is grounded to this. Alright, let's go bring it back. You can see these patches out here right now. Looks like they already got this cable in. Where they pothole the old electric. So now all these transformers on this property has to be verified, because it looks like they came out into where the contractor wants to bore, and the contractor wants to bore through this little grassy part, this weedy part here. So now we got to verify all this shit on this property. All right, here's tone number 2, but back here I got a tone over here. And a tone here, so I don't know which one's new, which one's old. I'm assuming this is the old one, because I see the pothole where they potholed the old electric line. So I lose it here, it must be a splice. That's what I'm talking about, baby stepping it. Look how it came off the curb line and they made their turn right here. To go back to the other transformer. That's why I keep saying in my videos, you gotta baby step it, folks, baby step it. And anytime I'm on these transformers, I always like to click direct connect on the client side. The client side is this big door. So these are all the cables coming in right here. This smaller door right here is the customer side. That's the customer cables where it goes out into the building. So these small doors is where all your secondaries come in. And then these big doors with the disconnects on it is all the primaries that are coming in and going out. So always like clipping on to the client side, not the customer side. So you can see the doors, the client side's bigger, then the secondary doors are smaller. So just keep that in mind, folks. That's what I like doing. That's what I've been doing for all these years. We got one tone right here. And another tone here. So I'm picking up two sets, and you can see how shitty these both tones are. And by being this shitty, it's telling me that the old and the new cables are still grounded in the transformer. So they still both have grounds on it. That's why both of my tones are shitty. See, now you can see how far away I'm from the transformer. I'm doing a wider sweep to see if that one of those shitty tones go away. So now I'm doing a wider sweep and we'll see what we get. This tone right here, so I'm working them both out, folks, because I had this one here and this one here, both singing at me. Son of a bitch. With this cable replacement, it's harder on the locators because now we had to troubleshoot, try to figure out what's live, what's not, and we don't know because we never installed the cable. So now we got to pinpoint it, and we got two good tones. We got to mark both tones out because we don't know which one's live, which one's dead. So you can see my tone got shitty. So I don't know if this is the live one, dead one. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna power mode it back. So I got a bleep right here. I mean, I don't know if that's new cable, if I'm picking up, or street lights, I don't know. But I'm marking it, because it's cable replacement out here. I had got a tone, not the best tone. Well, I'm getting something here. I'm high, I'm a receiver, but I'm picking up something. It's cable replacement. It's hard to pinpoint with cable replacement when everything's grounded out in the transformers. They never cut out the old cable off the ground, so I'm picking up the new and old. So if you get any kind of tone, my advice is mark it out, because it just might be the live cable you're looking for. And that's what I'm doing, folks. You can see my compass is turning ready. So I don't know what the hell this is. This might be the old one. Don't know. Just getting frustrated with all this marks. And I'm not even done with the third transformer, and I got all this so far. And I'm still on that transformer, number 3. And look at this racketeering I got out here. It's a mess, people. It's aggravating because when the utility companies got all the cables bonded, new and old, you're picking up both, so you can't really pinpoint it. You have to mark out all your tones. Even a shitty tone, you gotta mark it out. Because I saw it before, somebody had a shitty tone, they never marked it out. They hit the fucking shitty tone, and it was not marked, and it was the live cable. And as soon as they hit that live cable, the load of that transformer went from the old to the live. Everything jumped onto the live cable. The load went onto the live cable. When we went back to verify it, we get the tone where the contractor hit it. So I'm telling you, you mark out every little tone you got on these transformers. Even a shitty tone like I did over here. It's getting marked. It's aggravating. I'm pissed off, but it's part of the job.